am about to go past the La Vista City Police Department on my way back from Nebraska Furniture Mart. Remember how excited I was about my new furniture? So the cats could destroy it? Yeah, what I didn't expect today was to have to go there to go buy a new fucking refrigerator. So, oh, by the way, Lindsay, yes, it is illegal to have dome lights on in your vehicle at night. And there is the police department. Fuck off. So yeah, I mean, Nick, obviously I was in fairly high spirits and obviously a little bit of evil spirits earlier today, and look where that got me. Look where that got me. I had to go and buy a new refrigerator. Which, I mean, I don't know what anybody else out there thinks. They're not like 30 cents. I thought they were going to be about 35 cents. And no. Refrigerators are not 35 cents. Contrary to popular belief. So, that has really put a damper on my evening. With my hat hair again. Whatever. And I applaud Nick and Rachel for renting. Lindsay, I'm assuming you're going to be renting as well.